Hello?
Right now, we all get like 2 days off. We're just that slow.
What? Oh, look at this. Sasha, come on! You're slower than a turtle.
I know you are, Cheeky.
I'm really happy.
Yeah, I am. Cheeky, come next to me.
Where do we go?
Did you drive? Did you drive?
All right, Robert, explain what we're doing.
We're gonna go get lost in the woods.
Yay! And Robert is our guide.
No, we're going to one of our geocaches. It's a crashed airplane, crashed back in 1999. The pilot sustained no injuries, did an emergency landing, and was able to walk away.
So
Any good crash is when you can walk away from.
Agree.
if we encounter a moose, are you gonna protect us?
Yeah, I'll wrestle it.
Fair.
I mean, I already have a bearskin rug.
Yeah,
I mean, a moose, that'd be great.
It's gonna go you, then Alex, then Shauna, then me.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to be last. All right, and it is up that mountain. It's
Climb that kind right there.
So technically right now it'd be right above where the greenhouse is from our point of view.
okay.
Are we really climbing that mountain?
It's not climbing.
Are we walking?
Oh yeah, true.
Oh, by the way, I was wondering like whose radio did you steal earlier? And I opened it up and it's Dylan's.
LOL.
Because I missed my charger last night and I thought it was in there and it wasn't. What? Let's
Get to this plane, it's gonna be 30 minutes. Shit!
We are rushing these dudes to take us on this hike because we're trying to race daylight. The sun here is setting so fast, and today I actually got off at 5:30, and so that's what we're trying to do before it gets super dark and in the woods, and we want to be able to see everything. So it's a process. It's difficult.
We're rushing daylight and car ride.
Oh yeah, and we are going to town tonight, so there's a lot going on in our social calendar we have to maintain.
Yeah, gotta show those, what is it, public appearances.
Yep.
Fire truck, love that. I know, let's get on the fire truck.
But right now, into the woods, onward.
Okay, I'm gonna do the moose mating call.
Say, what?
If we lose him, we'll find his feet.
That's for sure.
Where's track?
Moose tracks.
Oh, look at it. It went that way.
Oh, are you sure? No,
Look.
it looks like it's going that way.
It's going that way.
Okay.
I'm the moose.
Y'all just remind me to grab this.
This over here is the dog yard. These are the yurts. Back there is the resort property. This is where the springs are and the creek. And then back here is just a mountain in the woods.
That's what her feet look like.
What?
Like that.
Cold?
Yes, I am cold.
I'm liking this distance.
I am.
Where people would walk a lot.
Oh, okay. All right, go first. No, you go.
I gotta get you on video, hon.
All right. Oh, Dude.
Yeah.
Whoa.
We're really in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, jeez.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I'm in there if you want.
Wait.
In there, Alex!
It's all
Billy,
safe.
Sasha!
Whoa. Oh, so cool.
Hey, is that cereal box looking thing still in the front?
Yeah.
Grab it. That's the geocache.
Oh, cool. Oh my gosh.
In fact, the official report of why this is here is that giant piece of paper you see.
What paper?
It's a geocache.
Okay.
What's a geocache?
Geocaching is kind of like a treasure hunt based on GPS.
Oh.
So this happens to be one of the 5 at Chena.
There's 5?
Yeah.
Oh.
But that, if y'all want to read over it, it's the official crash report.
Whoa.
But yeah, there's like little goodies. It's one of those. If
Where's
you,
the Polaroid?
oh,
I want to see it. I told Jorge I'd get a picture for him.
I don't know if it's still going to be in here or not.
Should be. It is!
Wait, who is that?
That's all of us.
I like how people put in comment cards. The Chena way.
What an amazing, fun, killer suggestion by Dylan.
Wait, so who is in the Polaroid? Who's that person there in the corner?
Yeah.
So, Jorge, that's me, Dylan, and then this Casper person that looks like they're dead is Lily.
This is great.
Where's the girls?
No, this was Lily. Lily's the one that had the camera, but it broke.
Where'd you go?
You want to move something?
Just up there?
So cool!
How's that ankle?
Yeah.
Huh? You said
Oh,
earlier.
my ankle's fine, honey.
Sure. Sean. By the way, there's no peanuts on this flight.
Alright, back in it goes.
Kind of sounds like somebody wants to do something.
Huh? Right there.
Close. Yeah, that.
I missed.
Hey, don't throw a snowball at me.
Who said that was hit at you? Not everything's about you, Shauna.
Chicky! Wait, Alex said we could see it really great if we go that way. Let's follow him.
So when I showed you the photo that I'm standing in front,
Yeah.
see the resort? It's where he's going.
Oh,
Further up.
okay, well then let's go. So pretty.
But do you see what I was talking about earlier when you first got here and I was explaining that the snow is different than down south?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's no snow down south.
Sure there is. It's just not this fun.
Yay!
Literally, okay, scoop your hands together and then just compress it. Oh my God. That takes practice.
Go slightly to your right.
Who, me?
No, him.
I'm just trying to start you.
But yeah, if you head further up, you can see the whole resort.
Yeah, let's.
Hey, Sean, if you keep walking this way, it's a pretty good like photo.
Okay. Ah.
Yeah.
When?
It's like the first time when I came here, I just go up there.
You see her, it's kind of like a toddler, just make sure they don't wander off too far.
Hang on, don't move, Shoshana.
You.
Not for you.
Who is it for?
It's not always about you, okay?
It's about me. He's gonna throw it at me. I already know it.
The sad part is this is more ice than it is snow right now, so it's not very good snowball.
Well, pick your victim and go.
I still can make it. Do you know the difference between a snowman and a snow woman?
What?
Snowballs.
I don't want that nobody eat with you.
Huh?
I don't want that beer eat with you.
A deer?
Beer.
Bear.
Bear.
Polo.
I wouldn't you. Punch it, Alex. Do it.
No.
It's essentially a tree tumor. There's a company, the Great Alaskan Bowl Company, based in Fairbanks. They will actually go out in nature, harvest these, and make you a complete bowl set out of a single
We should
burl.
get one.
Wow. What's it called again?
The Great Alaskan Bowl Company?
No, the thing on the tree.
Burls.
Burls. Cool.
B-U-R-L-S.
And that's why you fall, because you do the.
Oh, I can't wait to see that video. It's like, what's happening? Why you?
Step, you had to fall.
Y'all, I just fell.
Not
But
just once, like 12 times.
100 times. But we did it. We finally did it. We finally made it up to the geocache. Good job, guys.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for taking us, Robert.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey. This is our hot springs. It's $2, but you pay to meet. Go in there, man. Did you fall? There's like snow in his beanie. Did you fall?
No.
Do you want to fall?
No.
Are you sure?
Do you want?
See, they think it's funny.